What is neck laxity and how do you treat it?
Okay, common question. I get a question a lot from my patients about loose skin on their neck or neck laxity. And this is a result of natural aging, loss of collagen, loss of elastin. I also get a lot of questions from young people about neck lines and what we call tech neck. And treating them, there's some overlap, but there's a little bit of differences. So I'll first go into treatment of neck laxity. In general, you want to use things that can help build collagen and tighten the skin. There are some creams that I think can be helpful, especially if you have milder forms of neck laxity. I like creams with really good peptides. Some of my favorite neck creams include like Neostrata, the triple firming neck cream. I'm also a big fan of Revision, Nectifirm Advanced. Alastin has a really good one, the Restorative Neck Complex. Also just getting into the habit of moisturizing. You don't have to get too fancy. If you just want to moisturize and just make sure that you're like massaging it and applying it upwards, that can be helpful. The neck skin is a little bit more delicate than your face, so I'm a little bit more cautious about recommending things like retinol or vitamin C, but you can use gentle forms of those ingredients and that can also help build collagen and tighten the skin. If you have pretty loose skin, procedures are probably gonna make a bigger difference. There's different types of procedures out there. There's like ultrasound therapy. An example is alt therapy, where it really gets to the deeper tissues of the skin. So this is people who have like really lax skin. And then there's also radiofrequency, which addresses more superficial layers in the skin, like the dermis. And some examples of radiofrequency include Thermage or Exilis. I also like radiofrequency with microneedling, especially if you want to really work on like fine lines, crepiness. An example of that is Morpheus. Microneedling alone can also be helpful for like some fine lines and necklines. Some other people also complain about like bands that they see on the front of their neck, and those can be softened with Botox injections. And then of course, I would say one of like the most effective treatments is surgery. Now, when it comes to neck lines and young people or tech neck, a huge part can be related to genetics, but I do think there are some things that you can do to help. I think that sometimes just doing a little bit of Botox around those lines can help soften those lines. Doing filler injections and very small amounts of filler, like little drops of filler in the lines, can be helpful. Some fillers that I like are like Belotero and Restylane Silk for that. I think also just getting into the habit of using your skincare on your neck, massaging your neck, and then like when you're on your phone, like don't look down, like try to keep the phone up at eye level. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about achieving healthy, radiant skin, be sure to download my free gift of my top 5 skincare favorites. And remember to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to join my holistic wellness journey for your mind, body, and skin. Thanks for watching.